In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a copyright symbol in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're adding a small mark to your artwork or building a professional template, this quick process will make sure your work is clearly labeled. First, make sure Photoshop is open and your document is ready. We'll begin by selecting the Type tool, look to the toolbar on the left and click the icon that looks like a T, or simply press the T key on your keyboard to activate it. You'll see your cursor change, which means you're ready to type. Click anywhere on your canvas to create a text box. If Photoshop drops in placeholder text or there's existing text you don't need, just press delete to clear it so the field is empty and ready for the symbol. Now let's insert the copyright symbol itself. On Windows, hold down the Alt key and type 0169 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. It's important to use the keypad on the right side of a full keyboard, not the number row at the top. If you're on a laptop without a dedicated keypad, enable the embedded numeric keypad or numlock or use an external keyboard. As soon as you release Alt, the C symbol appears. On Mac OS, it's even quicker. Press Option plus G and the C symbol inserts instantly. With the symbol in place, you can style it to match your design. Make sure the text layer is selected in the Layers panel, then use the Options bar at the top to choose a font, adjust the size, and pick a color that complements your artwork. If you prefer more control, open the character panel by going to the window menu and selecting character. Here you can fine-tune tracking and leading, apply bold or italic variants if your font supports them, and adjust baseline shift if you want the symbol to sit slightly higher or lower relative to surrounding text. For small marks in a corner, a clean, legible sans serif at a modest size often works best. If the edges look rough, try changing the anti-aliasing setting in the options bar for smoother results. When you're happy with the look, your document now includes a clear professional C mark that complements your design. You've now successfully inserted and customized a copyright symbol in Adobe Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more clear, practical Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.